This room is burning hot, but in 3, 2, 1, we're about to turn it into an ice cave with this 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Let's set it up. Step 1, attach the exhaust hose. This thing is so easy, just twist and snap the hose into place. Step 2, secure the window kit. Boom! The window kit is adjustable so it fits most windows. Just lock it in, attach the hose, and you're set. Step 3, plug it in and power on. And now the magic. Press the power button and let's feel the chill. Alright, this bad boy cools up to 550 square feet. But how fast can it drop the temperature? AC mode blasts cold air, cooling down the room in minutes. You could drop this thing all the way down. So on the lowest setting is 61 degrees. And then to raise it up, this thing goes all the way up to 90 degrees. If you're dealing with humidity, this thing also removes moisture to keep your space comfortable. Need just a breeze? The fan mode keeps things fresh without using max power. Here's your night mode. So this is the one that moves the air up and down. And these are your different speeds. And this is the button that you press to change the speed. And then here's your timer. And it even has a display in the front to show you the temperature. It also brings the remote control. You can press the cool, dry fan, turn it on and off, change your temperature settings, your timer, speed, swing, sleep, and then you could change the degrees from Celsius or to Fahrenheit. And this is at the back. This uses 2 AAA batteries, which are not included. This thing transformed my room in minutes. If you want to stay cool this summer, this is the one to get. Click on the link now and grab yours. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.